If you get the no remote detected message in your Chevy Camaro, I'll show you how to fix this. What I will show you next is described on your owner's manual at page 11. Your car has a transmitter pocket. This is the cup holder closer to your armrest. This is where you'll have to lay flat your key. Now to fix the no remote message in your dash, you simply have to turn off the car, put the key in the place I just showed you, leave it there, don't touch it, and then press the brake pedal and press the push button to start the car. Once this is done, it will start normally, and when you have time, replace the battery of that key fob and you won't get this message in the future. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, but also comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.